What's up, everybody? This your boy Dominoes 7 here. I'd like to welcome y'all to this Dominoes 7 vlog, okay? So today, your boy Dominoes 7 is going to get a haircut, you know what I'm saying? Yes, indeed. So all this is going to be cut off, you heard me? Alright, like yesterday, I cut a piece of my hair off and stuff like that. Well, what the hell I was thinking? Oh. Well, yes, indeed. So as I was saying, folks, I mean, I'm going to get all this cut off. Either I'm going to keep the mustache or I'm going to trim the mustache. I don't know, okay? And this bush on my face right here, I'm going to get all this cut off, okay? Y'all see this bush on my face? Y'all see that? Like Richard said, I have a bush on my face. Y'all think oh man, I gotta get my teeth clean. But anyway, as I was saying, folks, do y'all remember I said, Richard said that I got a bush on my face? Y'all think I should get my spinach chin braided? And you know what? I went to the grocery store for some reason, okay? And I thought Dominique was gonna be there, okay? So as far as that, I don't want Dominique Henry to see me like this, or shall I say Diamond, okay? She's a singer. She ain't famous yet. She was in this music video Daydreaming, okay? Of Chris Henry's video, okay? Wow, that. Well, too late. Dominique already saw me like this. Well, I don't want her to see me like this in person, okay? So, I'd be too embarrassed for Dominique to see me like this, you know? She would have told me I need to shave. Well, I don't shave. I let the barber shave, you know? Okay. But anyway, let me stop this tape, and I'll be right back, okay? Check out the before pictures and after pictures, okay? Make sure y'all check that out. The before pictures before I got this cut, and after pictures after I got all this cut, okay? Y'all ready? Check it out.